నమస్కారం. నవతరానికి నాంది నవ్య కార్యక్రమానికి స్వాగతం. కొందరు తమ వయస్సు కంటే పెద్దవారిలా కనిపిస్తారు. అందుకు కారణాలు ఏంటి? ఆ సమస్యను ఎలా అధిగమించాలో తెలుసుకుందాం. ఒత్తిడి, దీని ప్రభావం మొదట ముఖం మీదే పడుతుంది. ఆందోళన ఎక్కువైతే కార్టిసోల్ అదే పనిగా విడుదలై ప్రీమెచ్యూర్ ఏజింగ్కు కారణమవుతుంది. అధిక ఆందోళన, ఒత్తిడి వల్ల చర్మంపై గీతలు, ముడతలు త్వరగా వస్తాయి. యోగా, వ్యాయామం, నడక, స్నేహితులతో సరదాగా గడపడం వంటివి చేయాలి. ఇప్పుడు నవ్యలో నయా ట్రెండ్స్ చూద్దాం.
This is Unique Fancy Sarees, Jubilee Hills, Western Mall, first floor. Now I am showing you most of the party wear kurtis, very reasonable range, very nice pattern and color. This is in a collar pattern. In this I am having resham, different type of resham colors and moti work with cut glass pattern. From starting till bottom I am having the same pattern. In this I am having pant of Banarsi weaving, white color pant. Mango color, according to size measurement we will do the piece. And this is the sleeves, bell sleeves of mango color. In between it is having full work of kardana, cut glass, different color of moti and resham, covered with jardoji work. From top till bottom it is having work, and from here it is having short slit pattern, and in down it is having Banarsi pant, white color Banarsi weaving pant. Full slit cut pattern, mango color, very different color. In this I am having color, and this is the back. Very lightweight and plain in Georgette fabric. This is in wine color with mirror and kardana work on the chest, and at the collar it is having gota, cut glass and resham work of same fabric. Georgette fabric, Georgette resham with cut glass and jardoji work. In this is the sleeves, full having with work of resham, cut glass and jardoji. Front it is having the same pattern, and same pattern it is having at the back of the sleeves. Both sleeves are very simple and sober. Resham, jardoji, cut glass, sequins. Different type of pattern in long gown. It is having also a drape dupatta of full sequence. Different style of dupatta of drape. Full sequence pattern of kardana. Long gown, very lightweight, very reasonable range. All sizes are available in this. This is long gown in teal blue color. On the chest it is having moti, big moti and resham work with drape dupatta. Pure Georgette fabric with pleated pattern of dupatta and pure Georgette fabric in long gown. Any size you want, sizes are available. Short mega sleeves of net. It is having black moti work and simple prince cut fabric. Prince cut sleeves it is having at the end, and black moti, 3 inches, very short sleeves. This is new pattern in Georgette fabric, collar pattern. From here 5 to 7 work it is having of resham, cut glass, moti. From front, from top till bottom it is having full work and short slit pattern with Banarsi weaving pant, white color contrast pant. Full colorful work it is having, mostly for teenager girl, for 18, 20, 25. For any group of girls, this pattern is very fast moving and different type of hands. Sizes, all sizes are available, and on the hands it is having short booty. Teenager girl from 18, 20, 25, 30, 35, any group of any age group girls, very reasonable and very fine piece for them. Pure Georgette and Banarsi weaving pant, white color Banarsi weaving pant. Both side sleeves is having same pattern. In between it is having colorful resham, jardoji, gota and full heavy pearls work. Down it is having short slit. This is front, full heavy work, and at the back, because of the sleeves, it is having work. This is the back. long gown with full heavy work in particularly wine color. At the front it is having kardana sequence work. In this I am having resham work with sequence and pearls with kardana. One pattern is this, one pattern is this, and sleeves. Short mega sleeves of 3 inches it is having with kardana and simple resham work with pearls. Both sides it is having work of sleeves, and front it is having simple sequence pattern of resham with full flare. Front it is having, and back this is having also a pattern. Full sequence kardana pattern. Very lightweight and fine color of, in this I am having one more color. Any size you want, sizes are available. In this I am having one more pastel shade. This is very different pattern with skirt and long peplum top. First time it is having V-neck shape with resham, cut glass and moti work. V shape, in the between it is having big resham, full chest it is having heavy, and down full work, resham moti mirror. Long top. This is also known as long top with skirt and organza pure dupatta. Dupatta is having full sequence work. Pastel shade, sea green color. In this I am having one more color. Any size you want, sizes are all available. Full heavy work, and these are the sleeves. Short 3 inches mega sleeves, having moti, resham and mirror work. At the ankle it is having cut glass, moti and stone work. Both sided sleeves are same. Very heavy but full heavy work, very lightweight. Down it is having organza skirt, organza dupatta and georgette top, long top. Cherish red color, very different and evergreen color in all the party, small function. Resham work, very less work but very evergreen piece for any party. At the shoulder it is having sequence, cut glass, resham work, and at the chest short booty in between, drape pattern. Not really drape, but I have pattern of drape only in cherished red color. Very lightweight pattern, full sleeves. You want short sleeves is possible. Front and back. Back it is plain, very lightweight dress. Work it is having on the chest and shoulder. So today I show you 5 to 6 dresses in party wear for any small party, birthday party, reception. We will come back to you with more designs and better ranges. Thank you.